Connecting the InnovaPanel walls with surface splines. The Innova MGO panels are provided with reinforced MGO splines. Splines are provided in 4E lengths and final field cutting is required for proper fit at the top plate and around anchors and straps. Installing the splines correctly is crucial to the performance of your building. Splines are inserted into the factory grooves located on the backside of the panel skin. A continuous bead of SIP seal adhesive should be installed in each groove before inserting the spline. A continuous bead of EP spray foam should be applied to the installed panel EPS edge and the floor plate before lowering the next panel. Once the panels are in position, level and plumb the panel and install enough screws to hold the panels into place. Make sure that the screws are countersunk, just below the face of the magnesium board SIP skin, so as not to interfere with the final finishes. Use care not to overdrive the screws into the board, as this weakens the connection. Install braces every few panels to keep the walls plumb and aligned, then move on to the installation of the next panel. Make sure the walls are well braced so that they do not move out of plumb during the roof panel installation. Once you have completed all wall panel elevations, you can drop back a semi-skilled worker to install the remaining screws in the wall panels before the roof panel installation starts. Note how the wall panel is tilted back and the weight of the panel is used to properly seat the panel on the floor plate and tightly against the installed panel. When the panels are properly installed, the joint between the panels should be 1/8 of an inch. Once all of the wall panels are installed and the roof panels completed and dried in, it is time to surface caulk all of the interior and exterior panel joints to ensure that there are no leaks. Make sure to wipe the face of the panels to remove any dust and dirt before you caulk the joints. Once the caulking is complete, it is time to install the SIP vapor tape. Vapor tape should always be installed on the winter warm side of the panel, so for Florida, this is the exterior of the SIP. Once the vapor tape application is complete, it is time for final finishes, which can consist of an exterior grade paint, an elastomeric coating system, siding, stone, or other desired finish. Your imagination is the only limitation as to what you can build. You can build any style of home or commercial building with the Innova panel. Our eco-friendly panels are load-bearing up to 5 floors and hurricane-rated plus 200 miles per hour. Embrace innovation and replace masonry and framing with our low-carbon building solution. You will build faster, easier, and better. That's InnovaPanel.